Hello student, welcome back to my channel. We continue the chapter similarity. I am Mr. Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. Today we learn theorem of areas of similar triangle. The statement of theorem of areas of similar triangle is when two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of those triangle equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding side. Then what is given? The two similar triangle is given. Therefore, let triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the given. What to prove? The area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, that means ratio of area of those triangle, is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding side. Therefore, AB and PQ are the corresponding sides of these two triangles. Therefore, to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. To find the area of triangle ABC, how to find the area of triangle ABC? That means we have to know the base of triangle ABC and height of triangle ABC. Therefore, we have to construct here AD perpendicular to the BC. Therefore, BC is the base of triangle and AD is the height of triangle. Then we find out the area of triangle ABC. Similarly, to find the area of triangle PQR, we have to draw the PS perpendicular to the side QR. Therefore, this is the construction. Why we take construction here? To find the area of triangle ABC and PQR. Now proof. What is given? The triangle ABC and triangle PQR is given. Here triangle ABC and triangle PQR is given. Therefore, if these two triangles are similar, then we know that their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, because the corresponding sides of similar triangle. Also, we know that if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore, angle B is congruent to angle Q. The statement second. Corresponding angles of similar triangle. Now, by construction, AD perpendicular to the BC, therefore angle ADC is also 90 degree and angle ADB is also 90 degree. Similarly, we draw perpendicular PS perpendicular to the QR, therefore angle PSR is equal to 90 degree. Also angle PSQ is also 90 degree. Then we have to prove that this triangle 1 and triangle 2 are similar. Already one pair of angle is congruent in this triangle ADB and triangle PSQ. First angle B is congruent to angle Q because from the 2. And which pair of corresponding angles is congruent? Of course, angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ. Why? Both are 90 degree. Each angle is of measure 90 degree. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. We know that if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. We write here AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. This is the statement 3. Observe the equation 1 and 3. AB upon PQ is common. Therefore, these 3 and this is 1. All these ratios are in proportion. Therefore, from 1 and 3, we write here AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to PAD upon PS. इथे लक्षात घ्या, त्यासाठी मी इथे हायलाइट केलेले आहेत. म्हणजे इथं हे 3 आणि हा राहिलेला 1 हे रेशो कसे येणार आहेत, इक्वल येणार आहेत. आपल्याला जे लागणार आहे पुढच्या याच्यामध्ये ते इथे मी हायलाइट केलेलं आहे. म्हणजे BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PS हे आपल्याला लागणार आहे पुढे. Next, we take this figure again here. This is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is the base of triangle ABC? BC is the base and AD is the height. Therefore, BC into AD divided by area of triangle PQR, base QR into height PS. But AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, because from the statement 4, BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PS. Therefore, AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR. We substitute value here. AD upon PS is nothing but BC upon QR. BC into BC is nothing but BC square upon QR square. Similarly, we show that the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. इथे लक्षात घ्या, BC ची करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड QR घेतली, AB ची कोणती येणार आहे, PQ येणार आहे. दॅट मीन्स AB स्क्वेअर अपॉन PQ स्क्वेअर. आणि AC ची कोणती येते, PR. Therefore, AC square upon PR square. Hence the proof. Then we solve the examples based on this theorem. That means practice 1.4. Very important. एक मार्काचं एक्झाम्पल येणारच. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. म्हणजे लक्षात घ्या, ट्रायंगल सिमिलर दिलेले आहेत, त्याच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग साइडचा रेशो दिले 3:5. आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे एरियाचा रेशो. लेट द ट्रायंगल ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, ratios of two similar triangle is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding side. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Let we take these two triangles. ABC and PQR are similar. We know that if these two triangles are similar, then their ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. The corresponding sides of AB is PQ. Therefore, AB square upon PQ square. The ratio of corresponding side is given 3:5. Therefore, 3 square upon 5 square. That means 9 upon 25. Therefore, the ratio of their areas is 9:25. We solve the second example. If triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR and AB as to PQ is equal to 2:3, then the fill in the blanks. That means the two triangles are similar given and their corresponding ratio of corresponding sides is also given. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Substitute the value here. 2 square upon 3 square, that means 4 upon 9. Next example. Area of similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If the side of smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding sides of bigger triangle. Here the triangles are similar given. Their area is given. Where to find out the corresponding sides of bigger triangle? Let the triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. Therefore, ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their square of their corresponding side. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. The area is given, that means 225 upon 81 is equal to, इथं ABC चं एरिया धरलाय आपण 225, तो मोठा आहे, म्हणजेच PQR triangle हा smaller triangle आहे. Where to find out the corresponding sides of bigger triangle? That means where to find out here AB. The PQ is given 12. The numbers are perfect square number. Therefore, we take a square root here. The square root of 225 is nothing but 15. Square root of 81 is nothing but 9. The square root of AB square is nothing but AB. And square root of 144 is nothing but 12. Where to find out here value of AB? Therefore, transfer this 12 to other side. Divide becomes as multiply. Therefore, we get the AB is equal to 15 upon 9 into 12. Simplify these. We get AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore, the corresponding sides of bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. Next example, the triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangle, and ratio of these two equilateral triangle is given 1:2. If AB is equal to 4, then where to find out DE? That means DE is the corresponding sides of AB. First, the triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle is given. What are the properties of equilateral triangle? Its all sides are equal and each angle is 60 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. Similarly, triangle DEF is also an equilateral triangle. The each angles of triangle DEF is 60 degree. Therefore, angle D is equal to angle E is equal to angle F is equal to 60 degree. Now, where to show that these two triangles are similar? Therefore, in the triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is congruent to angle D because both are 60 degree. Angle B is congruent to angle E, both are 60 degree. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. We know that if these two triangles are similar, then ratio of area of these both triangle is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding side. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DF is equal to AB square upon DE square. इथं लक्षात घ्या AB दिलेले AB ची corresponding side आहे DE. Therefore, AB square upon D square. Write the reason. The theorem of area of similar triangle. Substitute value. The ratio of area is given 1:2. That means 1 upon 2 is equal to, the length of AB is given 4. That means 4 square upon D square. Now we take a square root. The square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 2 is root 2. The square root of 4 square is 4. And square root of D square is DE. That means 1 upon root 2 is equal to 4 upon DE. Taking cross multiplication here, DE is equal to 4 into root 2 units. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also share this video to your friends.